1000 LB Sisters fans are buzzing with speculation after Amy Slayton, one half of the reality TV sensation, reportedly sparked rumors that she may have undergone a second weight loss surgery. Known for her candid approach to her health journey on the hit show, Amy has been open about her previous gastric sleeve surgery and the ongoing challenges she has faced in maintaining her weight loss. The rumors began circulating after recent social media posts showed Amy looking noticeably slimmer, prompting fans and followers to question whether she had returned to the operating room for another procedure. While Amy has not confirmed or denied the speculation, insiders close to the family suggest that her commitment to health and fitness has only intensified in recent months, leading many to believe that a second surgery could be a possibility. Throughout the series, Amy Slayton has shared the ups and downs of her weight loss journey with viewers, making her one of the most relatable stars of 1000 LB Sisters. From her early days on the show, where she candidly discussed her struggles with obesity, to her decision to undergo gastric sleeve surgery, Amy has been transparent about the physical and emotional toll of significant weight loss. Fans have praised her honesty and determination, noting that she continues to inspire many who are on similar health journeys. The idea that Amy might have pursued a second surgery is consistent with her history of prioritizing her well-being and taking proactive steps to improve her life. Social media has played a central role in fueling these rumors. Over the past few weeks, Amy has posted a series of photos and videos that highlight her changing appearance. Some fans have pointed to subtle differences in her body shape and size as evidence that she may have undergone an additional procedure. Others speculate that her new look could be the result of a stricter diet, enhanced workout routines, or natural weight fluctuation. Comment sections on platforms like Instagram and TikTok have been flooded with questions and theories, with many users debating whether the transformation is surgical or lifestyle-driven. Despite the speculation, Amy has remained relatively private, choosing to focus her posts on positivity, fitness milestones, and sharing moments from her personal life rather than directly addressing the rumors. Experts in bariatric surgery and weight loss explain that undergoing a second procedure is not uncommon for individuals who have previously had gastric sleeve surgery. Factors such as plateaued weight loss, excess skin, or medical complications can lead patients to consider additional surgeries to achieve their goals. In Amy's case, her history of significant weight challenges and her public commitment to her health make the possibility of a second procedure plausible. However, medical professionals caution against making assumptions based solely on visual appearance, emphasizing that many non-surgical factors, such as diet, exercise, stress, and lifestyle changes, can also contribute to noticeable weight changes. Fans have also been analyzing Amy's recent television appearances, noting that she appears more toned and energetic than ever before. On screen, she continues to balance family life, business ventures, and personal health, demonstrating the multifaceted challenges she faces as a reality TV star. Observers have suggested that Amy's evolving look might be part of a natural progression in her long-term weight management plan, reflecting months or even years of consistent effort rather than a single medical intervention. Nevertheless, the timing of her transformation has sparked curiosity, with many viewers speculating that she may have opted for a second surgery during a recent hiatus from filming. The impact of these rumors extends beyond fan speculation, affecting public perception and media coverage of Amy Slayton. Entertainment news outlets and fan blogs have been quick to cover the story, highlighting every social media post and television appearance for clues. Some articles frame the potential surgery as a bold step in Amy's ongoing health journey, while others focus on the emotional and physical challenges that come with repeat procedures. Regardless of the narrative, the speculation underscores the intense scrutiny that reality TV personalities face in the high level of interest in Amy's personal life. Amy Slayton's family, including her sister Tammy Slayton, has also played a role in shaping public conversation. While Tammy has her own health journey and media attention, she has frequently supported Amy in her endeavors, whether by offering encouragement on social media or appearing alongside her in public events. This familial support has helped create a narrative of resilience and determination, emphasizing that Amy's choices are guided by both personal health goals and a strong support network. Observers note that this dynamic likely contributes to the widespread fascination with Amy's potential second surgery, as fans are drawn to stories of family solidarity and mutual encouragement. Mental and emotional aspects of weight loss are equally important in understanding the context of these rumors. Amy has openly discussed the psychological challenges she has faced, including anxiety, self-image issues, and the pressure of living life under public scrutiny. The possibility of a second surgery, if true, may reflect her proactive approach to managing both physical and emotional health. Experts stress that mental preparedness and emotional support are critical for anyone considering repeat bariatric procedures, suggesting that Amy's careful and thoughtful demeanor could make her a strong candidate for successful outcomes. While the truth behind the rumors remains unconfirmed, Amy Slayton's story continues to captivate fans and observers alike. Her ongoing journey offers a rare glimpse into the complexities of weight loss, health management, and reality television fame. Whether or not she has pursued a second surgery, Amy's experience underscores the importance of perseverance, self-awareness, and the courage to take bold steps toward personal well-being. The combination of public interest, social media scrutiny, and expert analysis ensures that any developments in Amy's story will be closely followed and widely discussed in the months ahead. Ultimately, the speculation about Amy Slayton's potential second surgery highlights the broader conversation around health, wellness, and body image in the public eye. Fans are reminded that behind every transformation lies a combination of medical care, lifestyle adjustments, and personal commitment. As Amy continues to navigate her journey, she remains a prominent figure in discussions about weight loss, surgical interventions, and the realities of living life as a reality TV star. Whether through surgery, diet, exercise, or a combination of factors, Amy's dedication to her health and her openness with fans make her story both compelling and inspirational. The discussion surrounding Amy Slayton's potential second surgery is emblematic of the intersection between celebrity culture and personal health narratives. Viewers are drawn not only to the visible changes but also to the human story behind them. Amy's willingness to share challenges, milestones, and victories fosters a sense of connection and relatability, allowing fans to celebrate her successes while empathizing with the obstacles she faces. This dynamic contributes to the enduring popularity of 1000 LB Sisters and the fascination with its stars' real-life journeys. As the rumors continue, media outlets and fans alike await any official statement from Amy Slayton or her representatives. Until such confirmation, speculation will likely remain high, fueled by social media observations, expert commentary, and ongoing coverage of her public appearances. Regardless of the outcome, Amy's resilience, transparency, and determination are certain to remain at the forefront of her narrative, inspiring viewers to consider their own health journeys and the choices that best support their well-being. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.